switch to your...
Hello everybody, we'll be going live in just a few minutes. I want to get everybody into the room. We'll get started. Glad everyone's here today. It's a beautiful day here in California. Hello everybody joining. Thanks for joining. We're going to get started in just a few minutes. Going to be an exciting day here at Sterling Machinery. All right, we're just about ready to get started. We're going to take a walk through around Sterling Machinery here. Let you see some of the machinery available. Looks like we have a few people want to come in with the video for us or with us. We'll be doing that later. We're going to be working with a lot of different companies: Scotchman, Cincinnati, Flow, Jet, Edwards, Baileigh, U.S. Industrial. We carry a lot of different new machinery as well as used machinery. Our specialist is used machinery. We've been here for 70 years. Buy, sell, and trade, new and used, fabrication, and tool room equipment. All right, I guess we're ready to get started here. Hey everybody, thank you very much for being here. We're really happy to have you here on this first live Instagram demo day. Now, we've done a lot of demo days in the past. It's a great event to bring people in from all over the country, bring in the vendors from the country. Different exhibitors and machines have to be flown in and powered up and put onto our floor for you. We've done that many times. It's worked really well. We love having you here on our floor, but we figured for this new event we would do something different. We decided to go with Instagram Live as our application, and we're going to be able to basically broadcast to the entire world, let them see our company, what we do, and the amazing companies that we work with. Now, we sell new as well as used machinery. Fabrication and tool room equipment is our specialty. We have been here since 1954. We have multiple showrooms here in South El Monte, California, filled with fabrication equipment and tool room equipment like press brakes, shears, grinders, lathes, milling machines, saws, and much more. Today we're going to walk around. I'm going to give you just a basic tour of some of the machines, give you a little explanation of what some of them are, because some of them might be unfamiliar to you guys. But if it is something that you're looking to buy, or if you're looking to get into something, some type of fabrication, manufacturing, we're here to help. Our website is a great educational center with a lot of different machines, specifications, photos. We have a video website, machinerytube.com, with almost, I think, 15 million views. You can get on there and take a look at any of our videos that we've been doing over many years to see how the machines are functioning, maybe get a couple tips on the machines that you actually have, find out how a control button works if we have it on there, and really an understanding of the type of machine. Now, I wanted to let you know this isn't our actual first virtual type of a demonstration. Many years ago, we've been trying to be at the top of all technology here at Sterling Machinery, so we try a lot of different things to get you the information you need. That's pretty much my most important job here, is to get you the information on the machine, do the educating, let you know what you're buying, and make sure it does exactly what you want to do. So I was just going to show you this little camera right here. Many years ago, I actually was able to rig up, this is a security camera, we were able to rig this up as a live view into Sterling and show some people machinery, and that was really cool, but very problematic, because as you know, technology is very difficult, but we tried and we were able to do it. We've gone off of this, and now we're on Instagram, and you can see how easy everything's going to work. We have a great day ahead of us. I just want to tell you some of the exhibitors that are going to be here. We've got Sterling Machinery Exchange. We're going to be doing both of our facilities. Here's our fabricating and large machinery showroom. We're going to move over to our Rush facility, where we keep all of our mills and lathes and grinders and tool room equipment. We're also going to be speaking with US Industrial, which is a great manufacturer of new press brakes, shears, and ironworkers fabrication machinery in Memphis, Tennessee. We're going to be speaking with Baileigh Industrial, one of the largest manufacturers of machinery in the nation. They have some amazing machines, amazing followers, really big on the automotive type equipment and fabrication equipment. We're going to speak with Jet Machinery, another great machine company, has fabrication as well as tool room equipment. Edwards Ironworkers. We're going to speak with Scotchman. We're going to have the president of Scotchman come on here and show us a machine or two from South Dakota. It's going to be really exciting. We have Cincinnati here in the house. We're going to show you the Cincinnati class that's going on, and we're going to do a full demonstration on the machine they have here. It's a really nice machine on our floor. We keep new machinery on our floor here. We do demonstrations as well as the classroom. We're going to have our 70th celebration. We're really happy. We hope anybody in the area wants to come down for lunch and cake and festivities, we'd love to have you here. After that, we're going to have Flow International. They're going to come on from Kent, Washington, do a demonstration of their water jets. We have a financing company in-house. They're here for you. Any questions with some great deals, click lease today. You can get finance within just minutes. GMC Machinery is going to be coming from Ontario, California. They have some great fabrication equipment as well. We're going to go over to our Sterling facility. We've got quite a day of events here. Acra Machinery, A-Trump, SuperTech, they're all on the list. It's going to be a great day. A lot of different machines to see. Let's get started. We're going to start here in our large machinery showroom. We're going to walk around from corner to corner, and I'll show you just some of the machines we have. Here you can see a Baileigh. It's going to be a little tough here on the light. This is a Baileigh angle roll. A lot of people ask what's the difference between an angle roll and a plate roll. Now you'll notice the 3 rolls here, 1, 2, 3 in this pyramid style. This is going to allow it to make a nice little roll all the way around, be it angle, pipe, flat bar. You'll notice here, these are sheet metal rolls, plate rolls, depending on what material you're going to be using. These also have a 3-roll type configuration. A lot of the time they're going to be in a different configuration. Here you can see a pyramid style, one right on top of the others, and this allows for the machine to bring your metal in here, roll all the way through, and this drop end here comes out. You slide your material out, and that'll give you a big circle. Big pipe, big tube. Here's a nice 200-inch lathe. Now these are all used machines. They come with a fully functional warranty. Everything's tested out here. You can come in, check your machine, make sure it's the right machine for you, bring in your parts, make some tools, whatever needs to be done to make sure you get the right machine the first time. A lot of customers we meet try to sell us their machines that they just bought from somebody else, and they have to explain why it doesn't work for them, which is really what we're trying to find out in the first place. We want to know exactly what's going on, what you guys are making. If you're going to be doing something that's making only 2,000 parts a year or 100,000 parts, obviously there's going to be a big difference in the different machine you're going to use for the production. Here's a really nice Haas CNC machine. This is a TL1. Super clean, all original paint, late model. Again, all tested out, comes with a warranty. Another nice heavy-duty Mazak oil country lathe. You can see a double chuck machine. You'll find a lot of these guys in Texas. There's another company we work with, Nuth, a great new manufacturer. Fabrication machinery, grinders, lathes, just about everything you might need. Another nice big oil country lathe. This one's a bit shorter. A lot of people that might be turning some larger parts, you don't really have the length to allow for something more like this. We've got all the different sizes here. Here's a very nice GT 26120. This is a GMC lathe. This is one of the manufacturers that we work with. Big on fab machinery, tool room equipment, chip making machinery. You know, it's a lot of the companies that we work with new. We've chosen because of the many years of great service, parts, and we've tested these machines out to make sure they're working properly. We know exactly what we're getting, and we work through all of them. This one we're actually checking out all the gears on right now, making sure the digital readout works. We can always add these to the machines if you guys need them. Air compressors, roll former machinery. This is for air conditioning type machinery. Pittsburgh forming, lock forming, a little bit of every type of shop here, all types of industries. Everybody needs a good air compressor. We have a lot of different air compressors, piston type. There's a couple of nice piston, 10 horse, 15 horse, 20 horse. These are planishers for the aerospace industry. Pretty unique machines. Going to be a nice finishing machine. Make your welds very strong. Now, these are airline seam welders. Again, for the airline industry. Make a nice seam weld, very clean. You know they're perfect. Here's one of the big machines we've got here. This is a aerospace stretch forming machine. You don't see a lot of these. These two large wings actually expand out and they stretch the metal. What that does is it keeps everything in good form and doesn't compromise the welds that you'd have to put into it. Another nice little welder back there. Here's a pretty special machine. This is a Geeka CNC Paxi 1500. This is going to be similar to like an Amada turret punch. You'll put your material on here. You're going to have your table here. It's going to move the material in and out, letting this 150-ton single-end punch, deep throat, make all the holes you need into it automatically with the CNC controller. Another company we sell brand new is Geeka. This is actually a used machine. Some great deals. You can help you save tens of thousands of dollars. To go from the CNC here to something more manual, you go to something like this Whitney. This is one of the oldest machines out there that definitely did the job. It's a hydraulic machine. It's got a tracer unit on it. Again, single end punch. This one you're going to move around with this tracer. It's going to allow you to get your spot, hit the same holes every time, push it through. This machine, one of the great deals about buying a used machine is you get a ton of tooling. So this machine comes with lots of tooling. You can see whoever owned it previously definitely loved this and took great care of it. Everything's organized. Nice, easy machine ready to put into your place and start working right away. Again, want to thank everybody coming in for demo day here. Hardware insertion presses. Hager's one of the bigger brands out there. Of course, you'll see all this used machinery. We do buy machinery as well. So if you have a machine to trade, let's say you wanted to go ahead and trade this mechanical iron worker, and you're looking to get into a brand new iron worker, or that's actually a used iron worker reconditioned by Sterling Machinery. We could definitely help you out with that. We'll give you a great price on the old one. We can help it all get moved over to our facility and get you the machine that you need. Some pipe expanding machines, again for aircraft, aerospace industry. Like to take us to the moon with these guys. Okay, here's a little picture of our other facility just down the street. As I said, this facility is our fabrication and large machinery showroom. Right down the streets where we carry all of our chip making machinery, such as mills and lathes, grinders, saws. These are clicker presses, hydraulic clicker presses, cutting for foam, rubber. Just a simple up and down press, multiple heads, traveling head. So we have all different types and configurations. So if you're going to be doing basic production of just small parts, you're going to be making, a few hundred a month. You don't need to have a huge amount of space. You can get one of these. If you're going to be doing multiple different cuts and you want to put 2 different dies within this machine, you can go back and forth really quickly and easily from machine to machine and punch there. Then the last choice you have here, there's a few more, but these are the most popular, is a sliding head, where you put your piece on one side, slide your head, make your punch. You can actually take your parts out on the other side while you start on the other one. So again, depending on the production you're going to be doing, we have the right machine for you. Here's one of our demo machines. This is a machine that's brand new, never used, came straight from Baileigh, that we have at an incredible price. If you're looking for some great deals, let us know what machines you're looking for. We're here to move machinery. We're here to help you and get the right machine for you. We've been doing it since 1954. Here's a selection of punch presses, hydraulic, mechanical. There's a nice little nibbler for the automotive industry. Thank you very much for our 70th anniversary. Congratulations there. It's great to have everybody with us. Here's a 121-ton Sutherland punch press. Very nice machine. You'll see a lot of these out there in the country. They're still being made today. Companies available. All the big names: Minster, Bliss, Sutherland. A little bit of everything. Here's actually a Schuler. This is a Bliss, the new style Bliss, very late model. 100-ton. There's a Bliss C35. These have been around a long time, basically built America. This is a nice air clutch, cleaned up, painted, ready to go. Here's Adrian with Click Lease.
How you doing?
Again, we have leasing here in-house, ready to go. Get you virtually and live credit today. We'll get you all set up. Everybody needs forklifts. We have just about everything you need in an industrial facility. This is a Fidal. This is a really amazing press. This is a powder press. This is basically how you make capsules, bars of soap, squeeze all the different types of materials into a little tiny capsule. 4-post hydraulic press made by Savage. Hope everybody's having a good time today. This is a pretty unique press. This is a hydraulic press, 300-ton, 2 different ways. So you have your standard up and down, and if you need to do side to side, it's in there as well. Kind of a unique press depending on what you're doing, but it might take two different options away for you, put it into the space, and you'll have everything you need. Nice controller on that one. HTC Shear, hydraulic tool company, now Pacific. It's an older Cincinnati. Now, today we actually have a Cincinnati class going on. They're teaching how to use the new machine that they purchased. They let everybody know how their machines function, how to train. They come in for training when they purchase the machine, learn how to do it. You get hands-on and classroom experience. I'm going to whisper a little bit because this is a live class they're going on. So if you're interested in that, let us know as well. When you purchase the machine, you'll know how to use it. Here's a beautiful Hyde mech saw. It's a vertical, heavy-duty Hyde mech tilt frame. You're going to tilt your head this way, also going to tilt this way. Nice heavy-duty fabrication saw. We've got a nice lineup of shears here. Cincinnati shears. Cincinnati is one of our favorites, American made. Again, we know how to fix them. Parts are available. Some Amada tooling. A couple of nice Amada press brakes. These are CNC, 50 tons, 6 foot, with the NC9EX2 control. It's the more popular control. And we've learned a lot of important lessons on computers and controls over here. So if we're buying that control, most likely we'll be able to get our parts and everything we need to be able to help service the machine for you if there's any issues. It's another nice Amada shear. This is the controller for our Flow Waterjet that just came in. Mechanical shears are still really popular as well. They're quick, low maintenance, very easy, quick cuts. Here's a hydraulic shear, 10 gauge, 1/4 inch, Y-Song shear, American made, another really great brand. It's an Elga hydraulic. Nice parts cleaning machine. You can see a parts cleaning machine with all original paint like that just tells you that these were very well-kept machines. That's the type of machine we're looking for when we're purchasing a machine. We check everything we can out about the machine. We speak with the owners of the machine company. We speak with the users. We check it out. We run the machines. And then we bring it in and do it all again to make sure everything's functional for you. Here's a nice small water jet made by Flow, another company we work with. They're going to be demonstrating later today. Of course, some of our heavy-duty Scotchman iron workers. These just came out of the paint shop. Great machine. Lets you do a lot of different work on it. Here's you got your punch. This tool area is going to let you do your press brake, as well as a lot of different other functions that you could put into the tool area. Nice 24-inch long shear, coper notcher, all built into one package. This is a 150 ton. Here's a Scotchman. This is a little bit different model. This is the 85 ton dual operation. You could have two people working at the same time. Here's a beautiful Geeka, brand new. This is the 50 ton small model. You can see there's a lot of different machines. If you're in the area, come take a look. Every company needs a notcher. If you're making any boxes, pens, you're going to be working with your press brake, you'll need to notch out all corners. There's a lot of different notchers. Beautiful aerospace, aluminum spot welder. And we'll be going live throughout the day with all the different manufacturers we're working with. We're going to show you all the different machines that they carry. Looks like we're on a little break from class here. You can see the machine coming up. We'll be demonstrating this machine controller. Here's its big brother, 230 ton, 14 foot. You can see the difference in size. This is a used machine actually, one that's been gone through here at Sterling Machinery, reconditioned, guaranteed. Updated controller, same style controller that you're going to be using on the other new machine right there. We've also got a beautiful 6-footer in here, same late model controller, 250 ton CNC pull max, 300 ton Pacific press brake. Nice heavy machines. Here's a beautiful 2017 1/4-inch Cincinnati shear. Well over a 1-year wait. This is a year 2017. You can save yourself tens and tens of thousands of dollars with us. US Industrial is a used shear. Nice heavy duty Fidal, very large. CNC machining center. Getting down to some more fab stuff here. We have a pretty large facility. We'll walk you through as many as we can. This is a 1/4-inch, 10 foot, year 2016. Here's an Almco vibratory machine. Put your pieces in there, get everything nice and smooth. Beat and Bender, American-made press brakes, another one of our great suppliers. You'll see Beat and Bender shear, Beat and Bender shear. Again, we try to buy a lot of the used machinery. We work with these great companies, so we definitely seek those out. If you have some for sale, let us know. 626-444-0311. Check out our website at sterlingmachinery.com. Here's some more Wysong shears. Here's a very late model, I think a 2019 10 foot 1/4-inch, barely even scratches on this guy. All original paint, all the updated security measures you have on it. Nice machine. And we got another big Cincinnati here, 230 ton, 14 foot cost breaker. This has a Herco controller on it. A little bit different. Every control is going to be different. Over the many years, people have upgraded controllers. Some you can get parts for, some you can't. So definitely ask when we're working with you. We want to make sure you get a machine that's easy to work with, easy to get service on, repair parts. Again, one of the reasons we work with some of these great companies. A few more machines to show you here. Another Amada shear, 6 foot, 3/16. Here's a 4 foot manual press brake with no CNC on it, just a back gauge display. Beautiful 175 ton, 12 foot AccuPress. One of the hottest machines on the market. Crowning, hydraulic clamping, late model CNC control. Let us know if this is your next machine. We're just going to go a few more minutes here. We've got our upcoming US Industrial virtual tour from Memphis, Tennessee. And we buy, sell, and trade new and used machinery here at Sterling, so let us know if you have anything for sale. If you're looking for any type of machinery in the future, make sure to give us a heads up so we can keep an eye out for you. All right. Well, I wanted to say thank you very much for coming to our demo day. A little bit different this year. We're going to have this playing so you can watch it at any time. If there's any machines that you do want to walk through, give us a call. We can do the same thing with you on your phone. We could shoot videos for you. You can come into our place, run the machines, run the materials, make sure it's exactly what you're looking for. I wanted to mention one other thing that we do here at Sterling Machinery. We have an auction company as well. So if you're looking at auctions for machinery, we have some great deals for you. I just wanted to show you a few different brochures of just some stuff that we did recently. A nice Fidal Haas machine shop. Haas, Fidal machines, mills, lathes, a lot of the type of machinery that we sell here. This is what you're going to find in a lot of these shops because our customers are, of course, selling and they're calling us to help sell these. Another CNC machine shop. Here's an Amada machine shop. We did the San Onofre nuclear power station auction here in California. Really great machines, great auctions, and some great deals. So if you're looking for an auction, oh, is that, what is I hear? I think I hear an auctioneer in the house. Here's Roy Gamitian. He's my auction partner. We do a lot of different auctions. So if you're looking to have something, if you have an auction or liquidation, or you just have some machinery that you want to sell, give us a call, please. It's 626-444-0311. Check out our website at sterlingmachinery.com for some great financing specials and all the information that we can give you. Thank you so much for our 70th anniversary. Thanks for being here. We hope to enjoy another 70 with you and keep running. Thank you.
Awesome. Take care, everybody.